My name is James Kennedy with Eastwood Homes, and today we're going to be talking about how to fix the cracks within your trim throughout your home. Here's a good example of where some trim has cracked that needs to be caulked. This is not caused by problems with the materials, it's caused by the humidity levels and the heat and cooling within your home that causes the materials to expand and contract. So it's nothing to be alarmed if you do see this throughout your house. The typical times of the year when you will start to see these cracks is in the wintertime when the heat is on and it's very cold outside, because your heat on drives a lot of the humidity out of the house and dries it out. One of the first things that you need to do when you're going to start caulking throughout your house is to make sure that you don't cut the hole too large in the end of the tube of caulk. If you cut the hole very small, it will make it very manageable to clean up after you are caulking any of the cracks within your trim. If it's too large, too much of the material will come out and make it very messy when you go to make the joint very smooth again. You've got your crack here. You're gonna put it in the gun, make sure you've cut the tip off, and again, make sure it's a small hole. You're gonna hold it up kind of at an angle like this, and then you're gonna pull the trigger. Don't pull it too hard until it starts to come out, and then drag it where you've just got a consistent bead across, not too much. And then once you're done, you'll have it here, and you take your finger, don't press too hard, and rub it across. Boom, there you go.